Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. In this presentation, we will examine Diagnostic Trouble Code P2610, which pertains to an ECM or PCM ignition-off internal timer malfunction in the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. The ECM stands for Engine Control Module, while the PCM refers to the Powertrain Control Module, both tasked with managing various engine and vehicle functions. An internal timer within these components helps verify that certain operations occur within specified timeframes when the ignition is turned off. A malfunction of this internal timer can lead to performance issues and trigger the check engine light. This presentation will provide a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to help identify and rectify the underlying problems associated with this DTC code. The DTC P2610 signifies an issue with the internal timer of the Engine Control Module, ECM, or the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The timer is crucial as it governs specific operations that occur when the ignition switch is turned off. Located within the ECM-PCM unit, this malfunction indicates that the module did not monitor or execute a critical procedure within the needed time frame. The ECM and PCM work together to enhance the performance, efficiency, and emissions of the vehicle's engine. Should the internal timer fail, it may hamper the vehicle's operation, making diagnosis and repair essential. Addressing this fault effectively requires understanding both the roles of the ECM-PCM and the vehicle's overall engine management system. The potential causes of DTC P2610 primarily include outdated software in the ECM or PCM. If the software is not up to date, it may not function as intended, leading to malfunctioning timers. Another critical factor to consider is a possible failure within the ECM or PCM, where an internal component may have failed, affecting the operation of the timer. Additionally, wiring issues such as shorts or opens can disrupt communication between components, resulting in this error code. A thorough inspection of wiring and connections can reveal faults that contribute to the malfunction. The layered nature of the vehicle's systems makes it crucial to assess each of these potential causes methodically for accurate diagnosis. Symptoms associated with DTC P2610 can vary, but typically include the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. When the module's internal timer malfunctions, the vehicle may exhibit performance issues such as stalling or reduced efficiency. Drivers may also experience intermittent failures, where the vehicle appears to operate normally at times, yet shows inconsistencies at others. These conditions could lead to a frustrating driving experience and affect overall safety. Observing and diagnosing these symptoms promptly is essential to prevent further complications or breakdowns. Identifying these indicators can provide significant insights into the health of the vehicle's engine management systems. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2610 is to turn the ignition switch to the on position without starting the engine. This action allows vital systems to initialize and prepares the ECM-PCM for diagnostics. Immediately following this, you should record all available freeze frame data and any onboard snapshots that can provide crucial context for the error. Freeze data captures critical sensor information and system states at the moment the fault occurred. Review the general troubleshooting information to understand the diagnostic path outlined for this specific DTC. This preliminary step helps establish a foundation for the troubleshooting process, ensuring all relevant data is collected before proceeding to more in-depth diagnostics. In the second step, use the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to clear the DTC from the memory of the ECM-PCM. Clearing the code restarts the monitoring process enabling you to assess the vehicle for new or recurring issues effectively. After clearing, check for any pending or confirmed DTCs again using the HDS. This procedure is critical because it helps in verifying the persistence of the fault. If DTC P2610 reappears, it indicates that the issue is ongoing and requires further investigation. If no DTCs are indicated, it could suggest an intermittent failure, meaning the system is functioning correctly at this time. Upon confirming that DTC P2610 is still present, the next troubleshooting step is to check whether the ECM PCM has the latest software version. If it does not, update it to the most recent release. If the ECM PCM has the latest software, proceed by substituting a known good ECM PCM from a similar model. This step is essential to determine if the fault resides within the unit itself. After replacing with the latest software, recheck the DTCs using the HDS. If DTC P2610 remains, it indicates that the substitute didn't resolve the problem. If DTC P2610 is cleared, then the original ECM PCM unit likely needs replacement. If you find that the ECM PCM was updated or substituted and DTC P2610 is cleared, this indicates that the troubleshooting is complete. In the event that the original ECM PCM was found to be faulty, you should replace it with a new or refurbished unit. To confirm that the problem has indeed been fixed, carry out further diagnostics to ensure that no additional DTCs appear. This includes taking the vehicle for a test drive and observing for any irregularities in performance. Document all findings and actions taken throughout the troubleshooting process to provide a comprehensive record for future reference. Proper documentation not only helps in warranty claims, but can also assist in future service requests. After completing the repair or replacement of the ECM PCM, a final verification step is crucial to confirm that the malfunction has been resolved. Begin by performing a test drive to monitor the vehicle's performance under various driving conditions. During this drive, observe for any signs that would indicate a return of the DTC, such as the check engine light coming back on. Following the drive, use the HDS to check for confirmed DTCs and ensure that none are present. This verification not only confirms the success of the repair, but also assures the customer of the vehicle's reliability and functionality moving forward. Documenting the results of this final step is vital for traceability and future maintenance. Preventive maintenance is key in ensuring that issues like DTC P2610 do not occur in the future. One fundamental aspect is to keep the vehicle's ECM PCM software updated regularly. Manufacturers release updates to address bugs, improve performance, and ensure compliance with emission standards. Routine checks of the vehicle's systems, including the electrical connections and wiring, can significantly mitigate the risk of intermittent failures and DTCs. Inspecting wiring for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage on a regular basis can preemptively address potential issues. By adhering to a strict maintenance schedule, owners can maximize vehicle longevity and reliability, reducing the chance of costly repairs down the line. In conclusion, understanding the roles of the engine control module and powertrain control module is fundamental when diagnosing DTC P2610. Through the outlined troubleshooting steps, mechanics can systematically address the issues leading to this error code. Key actions include ensuring that software is updated, substituting known good units, and confirming repair results through diagnostics. Implementing regular preventive maintenance can greatly reduce the risk of future DTCs and mechanical problems. By following these guidelines, vehicle owners and technicians can maintain optimal engine performance and functionality, leading to a safer and more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.